Are you tired of manually deleting hundreds of emails one by one? Learn how to mass delete your entire Gmail inbox in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to select all visible emails. Then, how to select every email in a category. And finally, how to delete them all at once. First, head over to your Gmail homepage to get started. Click the checkbox at the top left of the email list to select all conversations currently on the page. If you want to delete more, click on Select All Blank Conversations in Updates to include every email in that category. Now, click the trash bin icon at the top bar to move the selected emails to trash. Finally, click OK to confirm the deletion, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.